Expert Housekeeping Tips, presenting Essential Tips for Cleaning Walls and Wall Coverings. Lift crayon marks off a painted wall by rubbing them carefully with a cloth or sponge dampened with mineral spirits or lighter fluid. Remove any shine by sponging lightly with hot water. To remove crayon marks on wallpaper, rub carefully with a dry soap-filled, fine-grade, steel wool pad. Or use a wad of white paper, toweling moistened with dry cleaning solvent, and delicately sponge the surface. Carefully blot and lift in small areas, to prevent the solvent from spreading and discoloring the paper. You can make washing walls less of a wet, messy task by decreasing the amount of water and using an egg beater to make thick suds. Remove ordinary soil marks from wallpaper by rubbing them gently with an art gum eraser. It's easy to remove transparent tape from a wall without marring the paint or wallpaper if you press the tape through a protective cloth with a warm iron to soften and loosen the tape's adhesive backing. To prevent water from running down your arm when washing walls, fashion a bracelet from a sponge or washcloth held in place with a thick rubber band. For cleaning rough textured walls, old nylon stockings or socks are better than sponges or cloths, because they won't tear and leave difficult to remove bits and pieces on the surface. You can sponge washable wall coverings and some vinyls with a mild detergent. To find out how much elbow grease your paper can take, first work on a scrap. Lift grease stains from washable wallpaper with a paste made of cornstarch and water. Alternatively, rub dry borax over stains. To remove grease stains from a grass cloth wall or ceiling covering, apply an aerosol dry cleaner. Follow instructions carefully. To remove a grease spot from non-washable wallpaper, place a blotter over the spot and press it with a moderately hot iron. The blotter will soak up the grease. Repeat as required. You can also use talcum powder to remove a grease spot on non-washable wallpaper. Dust on the talc with a powder puff, leave it for an hour, and then brush it off. Repeat, if necessary. To remove white watermarks from wood wall paneling, rub mayonnaise into them. Wipe off the mayonnaise 12 hours later. The marks will have vanished. That's all folks, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.